Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw payouts using Square Cash App Transfers easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your payouts using Square Cash App Transfers, launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Log into your account using your registered email or phone number. Once logged in, locate the cash balance displayed on the home screen. Tap on the cash balance to open your account details. Look for the withdraw option, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select withdraw to proceed with the payout process. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Cash App balance. Confirm the amount to ensure it is correct. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. If you opt for an instant transfer, be aware there may be a small fee. For a standard transfer, select that option for a no-cost withdrawal, which may take 1 to 3 business days. After selecting your withdrawal method, tap on Confirm. Review the transaction details once more before finalizing. Tap on Confirm to initiate the withdrawal. You will receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transferred amount to appear. After a successful transfer, check your Cash App balance to ensure the amount is updated. Remember, in case of any issues, you can always reach out to Cash App support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.